Okay, class 9 student mathematics. Now we are doing the exercise 1.1. From exercise 1.1 we have 4 questions. 1 2 3 4. Now exercise 1.1 mathematics class 9 we have you don't solve the equation. We are like so. The mentor in rational number. Now we are doing this question number 1. Okay, now before we come to this part, okay, let's first learn what is rational number. Where you tahu rational number. Okay, let's learn first the definition. What is rational number? Where you tahu rational numbers. Okay, kani definition ko a rational number is a number which can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Okay. Okay. From while count natural number baru itu tahu natural number starting counting from 1 2 3 4 and then continue on. Okay, then whole number counting including with 0. So starting from 0 and then follow by 1 2 3 4 and then continue on. Okay, this is natural number. This second one is whole number. Now integers. Okay, integers. Let me draw this number line. Okay, number line. Here we have 0. From this side, this is right hand side. Okay, this is left hand side. From right hand side, while counting this one, 0 1 2 3 and then 4 and then 5 and then continue on. Okay, and this left hand side, left hand side, they are what? Negative. From here 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and then continue on. So all these are called what? Integers. All these are called integers. Integers. Okay, now from here, counting from here 0, from 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, they are called positive integer. Positive integer. Okay, then from this side, left hand side, from here, including here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, they are called what? We are called negative integer. Understand? What do we call this one? Negative integers. Okay, now integers, we have negative and then positive. Okay, clear, no? Now you know what is integer. There are two types, negative and then positive integer. From this side we have right hand side is positive integer and then left hand side we have negative integer. Okay, clear. Then next, rational number. Like this is basic thing we have to learn. Make sure rational number is a number that counting from 1 2 3 4 and then whole number is a number starting counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then continue on. Okay, and then third one is integers. Is we have negative integer and then positive integer. So negative integer is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continue on, and then negative integer is from -1, -2, -4, continue on. Okay, now you know this is, make sure you have to keep in your mind, this is basic thing to learn. Okay, now again we have, okay, now again we have, let's continue. Again we have number 1, and then number 4 we have rational number. Okay, what is this? Is a rational number. Okay, now number 4 is, let us know that what is that rational number. So a rational number, like this is the definition I already told you. Okay, a rational number is a number which can be written or which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integer. Integer, you know now what is integer, is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, all those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are integers. They have negative and then positive integer. This is what we did. Okay, this is integer, this is negative integer, this is positive integer. Okay, now what happened, are integer where q is not equal to 0. Okay, now a rational number, any number which can be written in the form p by q. So this is p by q. So example, like I can say that, let's say 2 by 3. Okay, and then 4 by 5. This is also a rational number. And then make sure q is not equal to 0. What did the definition say? Rational number. A rational number is a number which can be written in the form of p by q. Okay, and q is not equal to 0. Make sure to remember this one. Suppose like this, q is not equal to 0. Suppose like this, suppose, okay, now 2 by 0. Let me ask you, is this a rational number? 2 by 0? No, this is not a rational number. Because why? Okay, 2 by 0 you are written like this, and then p in the, okay, this is in the form of p by q only. Okay, but this q is equal to 0. So q is equal to 0, p equal to 2, and then q equal to 0. Now what did the question say? That a rational number is a number which can be written in the form p by q, and then where p and q are integers, and then q is not equal to 0. But here you are written that q is equal to 0, so this is wrong. Okay, so if you write like this, suppose if I ask you to give me the rational number, suppose if you are writing like this 8 by 0, this is wrong, this is not rational number. And then what happened? Now if suppose, now if you are writing like this 2 by 0 by 2, then you ask me, is this a rational number? Yes, this is a rational number. Because why? 0 by 2, p by q, p equal to 0, and then q equal to 2. Because why? Q should not be equal to 0, so q is not equal to 0. Okay, q day ban long 0. Namarkat kung kanay ka question bagaong q is not equal to 0. So here q, what is q here? 2. So suppose if this q lada jabaw ni q day 0 hang 2 by 0, 2 by 0, and then what happened here? So q equal to 0, this is not rational number, so 0 by 2, so q equal to 2, so this is a rational number. Okay, clear, no? Okay, now after clearing all this definition and then this concept of basic concept of numbers, now let us solve problem. Okay, now after clearing all those concepts in your mind, now we are going to solve problem. Okay, from exercise 1.1, question 1 2 3 4. Okay, now what does the question say? Actually I already write in here. Okay, question number 1 is 0 a rational number. Can you write it in the form p by q, where p and q are integer and q is not equal to 0? Actually I already written it here, so from here, okay, we will solve it here. Okay, now you write like this. This is the question from exercise 1.1. Then solving equation number 1 first. Okay, number 1. Okay, you write here solution. Write solution, solution. So like I mentioned before, mentioned before, 0 is 0 a rational number? What do you think now? Okay, let us continue. Okay, is 0 a rational number? Okay, now let me, if I write like this, 0, and then this is what is lower, what is down one is actually is 1. Okay, suppose now if I divide like this, so 0 divided by 1, 0 only I get, 0 only I get. Suppose now 0 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, what did I get? 0 only. 0 divided by 3, if I divide 0 divided by 3, then what did I get? 0 only. Okay, now actually what we get from here, now you see, now 0 equal to 0 by 1 actually equal to 0 only, 0 by 2 actually 0 only, 0 by 3 0 only, which means 0 which we can be write in the form of p by q. Okay, p by q. What is p here? 0, and in q here 1. So now this is the question you solve first. Is 0 a rational number? You write here yes, 0 is a rational number. You write like this, 0 is a rational number. Okay, full stop till there. Now okay, can you write question number next question is, can you write it in the form of p by q? Then you continue on, we can write 0 as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, and then extra. Continue on. Okay, clear, huh? This is how we solve the question number 1. Okay, next question, we have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, then you write here solution. Okay, now first let me explain you. Okay, whenever the question say find 6 rational number, okay, 6 rational number we have to find. Okay, now you know already rational number. What are rational number? Rational number are those number which which can be expressed, which can be written in the form p by q. So p by q, so 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, all these are rational number because we can write in the form p by q. Okay, let us solve this problem. Okay, now we write first solution. Now find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Okay, now first you write first like this. Make sure you, when the question asks find 6 rational number, okay, let first you, after write solution, you write first here 3. Okay, now what is down here? Actually, what is the 1? Okay, find 6 rational number. You make sure you multiply by, like what I see before that mentioned, that you have to multiply by 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to multiply in order to find. You have to multiply both. What is this called? Numerator. What is this lower called? Denominator. Multiply by both sides by, here what is it? 6. Then you have to multiply 7, 8. Let's just multiply by 7. Don't multiply by 5. Okay, above that. So let's multiply by 7. Okay, 3 into 7 will be 21. Okay, and then 1 into 7 will be 7. Okay, now then here what we have here? 4. And then actually what is that? Down what is that? 1. So here what did you multiply here? By 7. Make sure here also you multiply by 7. Don't multiply by 8, 9. If you multiply here by 7, and then here also should be 7. Okay, let's multiply by 7. 4 into 7 will be 28, and then 1 into 7 will be 7. Okay, till here. Okay, then here we got 21 by 7 and then 28 by 7. Now just simply write here, therefore the 6 rational numbers, the 6 rational numbers are, okay, then 21, what is come next? 21 will be 22. Okay, 22 by 7, and then 22 by 7, what come next? 23. Then you write here 23. What come next? 24. Then right here 24 by 7, then 25 by 7, then 26, then 27, till here 27. Now what come next? 28. Make sure this one is don't write. What write your what thought only. This is not include, this is not include. So if here 21, start by, you should start 22 by 7. If here 28, then you conclude till 27. Now how many rational number we got? You tell me. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rational number we got. So this is answer. Okay, clear? Okay, next question is, we have number 3. Okay, question number 3. Find 5 rational number. Then what, like what I said, whenever question say find 5 rational number, we have to multiply by 6, 7 above that number. Okay, then simply write here solution. Okay, between 3 and 5, 3 and 5 and 4 by 5. Okay, then just simply write here 3 by 5. Okay, solution. Find 5 rational numbers. So you have to multiply by 6, 7. Let's multiply by 6. Both numerator and denominator by 6. You multiply here by 6 by 6. Okay, now 3 into 6 will be 18. Good. And then 6 into 5 will be 30. Good. Okay, clear, huh? Now next what we have now? 4 by 5. Then you write here 4 by 5. Then multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. Don't, here you will multiply by 6, don't multiply by 7. Make sure to multiply 6. Okay, multiply by 6 here, 6 equal 9. 6 into 4 will be 20, you tell me 24. Okay, 24, and then 6 into 5 will be 30. Clear now? Then you write here, therefore the 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers are. So 18 here, you should start by 19. So you start 19 by 30, and then what comes next is 19, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30, till here 23. This 24 you conclude till here. Okay, now how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer. So this is 5 rational numbers. Clear now? So this is the last question we have. Okay, now the last question we have. Now state whether the following statement are true or false. Give reason for your answer. So question number 1 is, every natural number is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole. So you simply write here solution. Okay, clear no? Okay, now question number 1. You already know what is natural number. I already explained from before. Rational number udah number basdang nadu 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, whole number part udah number basdang nadu 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear now? Okay, then now what happened now? Okay, question number 1 say that every natural number is a whole number. This is true or false? True. Actually this is true. You write here true. True. Okay, Belay, what is the reason? Because you write since all the natural number contains in whole number. Okay, till there. True. This is true. Because why? All this natural number contain in whole number. Okay. True. And the next one is, okay, next question is, every integer is a whole number. So solution number 1, then you write here solution number 2. Every integer is a whole number. This is wrong. False. You write here false. Okay, why? Every integers, this is all integers. See what I'll explain now. All this is all integers is a whole number. No, this is wrong. Actually, every whole number is integer. Okay. Now what happened now? You write here. What happened? Example like -1, -2 is not a whole number. Okay. Okay, last one. Every rational number is a whole number. No, this is false. This is false. So you write here solution number 3. This is also false. Why? False. Okay. Why? 1 by 2 and then 2 by 3 is a rational number. Rational number. But what happened? But not a whole number. But not a whole number. Because every rational number is a whole number. So for example, false, this is false. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, and then and so on and so forth is a rational number, but not a whole number. Okay, so this is the answer till here. Okay, done from this exercise 1.1. This is done. Next video will be exercise 1.2.